Welcome to Kurzban, Wenger, Tetzeli & Pratt. We're a boutique law firm
that specializes in helping people. I think that people would be hard-pressed to find a law firm that's the equivalent of ours in terms of the number of attorneys we have that really have the experience in the particular fields we have.
We represent clients from around the world in commercial transactions, in immigration matters, both for big companies and individuals, and we represent victims of serious malpractice, products liability, and other accident claims.
The law is intimidating to most people. A lot of my clients are immigrants. I'm an immigrant. I relate to what they're going through. I try to be not just an attorney, but a counselor and a guide.
Understanding the needs of the client, understanding how to resolve their problems is our first priority, and obviously then working in the most efficiently, cost-effective way by researching the law and then finding out exactly what the client needs in order to resolve their problems or accomplish their goals.
Our firm is special. We have experienced, dedicated, smart lawyers who care about the clients and care about winning cases.